Welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge the battery of your Apple Watch Ultra 3. In order to charge your Apple Watch, you have to place it on its magnetic charging puck or a compatible dock or stand if you have one. So basically, if you didn't buy any additional chargers for your Apple Watch, you're gonna have such a charger. And in order to charge your Apple Watch using it, first of all connect this charger to the power source, and after that place the back side of your Apple Watch onto the surface of this puck and wait until the power icon appears on your screen. Then just leave your device to charge like this until it's either fully charged or you are happy with the charging level of your Apple Watch. Then you can simply remove the Apple Watch from the charger, and that's basically how you do it. So only make sure that you're using original chargers, because the ones from unreputable distributors or manufacturers can easily break your device's battery. And that will be all for this video. I really hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.